When it comes to Linux gaming in 2025, two distros keep getting all the buzz: CachyOS and Bazzite. One promises raw performance tuning, the other a console-like plug-and-play experience. But here's the question: which one actually makes your games run better? And which one just makes life easier? Let's start with CachyOS. It's Arch-based, meaning bleeding edge updates, but with custom performance tweaks baked right in. The big selling points are optimized kernels with custom schedulers, CPU, GPU tweaks that aim to squeeze out extra frames, pre-configured gaming packages so you don't waste hours setting up Proton, Wine, or Vulkan drivers. Now compare that to Bazzite. It's based on Fedora Silverblue, and it's designed to feel like a console OS for your PC. Out of the box, you get seamless Steam integration, preloaded gaming drivers, automatic system snapshots so if an update breaks something, you just roll back. Reviewers call Bazzite SteamOS for your desktop PC. You boot, log in, and you're basically ready to game. It's especially popular for living room setups or gaming handhelds like the GPD Win or Aya Neo because it just works without fuss. Now here's the reality check. FPS differences are usually minimal. In side-by-side tests, both distros deliver almost identical frame rates because performance mostly comes from your GPU drivers and Proton updates, not the distro itself. Where CachyOS pulls ahead is responsiveness. Tweakers where the custom kernel schedulers cut input lag by a few milliseconds enough to feel snappier in competitive shooters. Where Bazzite wins is consistency. You're not likely to hit a broken package or a driver mismatch because it's designed for stability over bleeding edge. Both CachyOS and Bazzite are free and open source, so the real cost is your time. CachyOS costs you time to maintain and tune. Bazzite costs you flexibility, you get fewer nubs to tweak, but in return, it just runs. So which one should you pick? If you're the kind of gamer who loves squeezing every drop out of your system and doesn't mind fixing things when they break, CachyOS is your distro. If you want a console-like Linux experience that just boots and plays, Bazzite is the smarter choice. Either way, Linux gaming in 2025 is smoother than ever. The days of endless configs are fading, and that's a win for everyone.